Okonjo Iweala's son, Uzodinma, suggests Nigeria's dissolution months to 2023 elections. The person will be author, will write Beast of No Nation, Uzodinma Iweala, don't yan say Nigeria as a be need another independence and make them dissolve the country self. Maybe then go carry the country, give North Korea president, that boy where they rule North Korea, we say he won't recolonize Nigeria and Ghana. Okonjo Iweala's son, Uzodinma, now inside an article titled Nigeria's Second Independence, Why the Giant of Africa Need to Start Over, where them publish inside Foreign Affairs. This Uzodinma suggestion, a time and well as it drop them when Nigeria they prepare for general election where go happen February and March 2023. They ought to say one of the solutions for this kind of trouble where they inside Nigeria not to dissolve the country. As it be say Nigeria they face serious economic and security problems. The young man say now the best solution if say we won't make this country move forward or make the country expire like agege bread. He say no form of packaging where go make the country better again. The problem is immilimious and there is no mequatalism. It be like saying a true self. This Nigeria situation, so many authors don't call them different names. From the facetious chaosocracy to the one way bad self, entrepreneurial democracy to the pejorative kleptocracy. Uzodinma say na moral decadence. Oyibo diyebu. The thing don't eat deep into the system. You can imagine the type of people where they queue to still rule Nigeria. The Harvard graduate believes say no person will repair Nigeria again, including Onye Nkanye. Okonjo Iweala say make we not even rely on this outdated wayo US and European democracy. Say it no go save us from Ethiopia. Anyway, Uzodinma Iweala, a novelist, will win Hope's Prize and Dorothy Hicks Lee Prize for outstanding undergraduate thesis while in there for Harvard, among other honors. 2023, NRM collapses structure for Peter Obi's presidency. The National Rescue Movement, where them call NRM, don't collapse, surrender in structure, give Labour Party. Unto say them support Peter Obi presidential ambition. Obi no get structure, Labour Party no get structure. But see as many structure they collapse give them. Labour Party come become their structure. Make I hear them for anybody mouth again say Obi no get structure. Obi no get structure. Come pay one madon. Anyway, according to one statement where Labour Party write for their Twitter handle, them say Martin Agboso and him supporter Emeka Mandela, including their own presidential aspirant, don't carry everything give Peter Obi. Say then the supporter align with Obi's ambition. Make I even read them as them write them. The Labour Party today welcome new members to our great party. New members including Chief Martin Agboso and his supporters, Dr. Emeka Mandela, presidential aspirant of National Rescue Movement, NRM, whose presidential organization officially collapsed into Labour Party for Peter Obi. They have become part of the structure. Deka makandena sena structure there. I would have been in Aba chasing lizards as native doctor if not for Lagos. This is according to Joe Igbokwe. Okolonweohu, one of Lagos, Joe Igbokwe say he and his household Nyandebeya for be native doctor inside Aba for Abia State. Say if for the chase lizard, Nkogejine sacrifice inside Aba as a native doctor if no be Lagos. The Amapolo Onwem one Tinubu supporter and slaves say Lagos State make life better for people of Southeast. Say now Lagos make we know they suffer, can't get money. Can someone tell us slaves say Onisha the bubble since ages? Anyway, the Nworu say if no be Lagos, somebody like him for they chase lizard inside Aba. If we become native doctor, all Igbo for become native doctor because of if say Lagos no they. Can you imagine if a mother he said you come to Lagos with nylon bag and go back to Igbo land with Rolls Royce. He said, I beg pray for Lagos, make it no spoil. Oh. If Lagos spoil, all of us don't enter but gay. According to him, he writes musing of a grateful southeasterner living in Lagos. Now what he writes. Anyway, now what we see with people like Igbokwe, where they support Tinubu. Na campaign they do. Igbokwe, everybody knows say na Tinubu he go support. So make una forget waiting in the yarn. Onye chupulu onwe no go se no gberute he. Onye ji aka mapu onwe. He said if say no be Lagos. No be our people full Onisha they do business. Some people we do Onisha never reach Lagos and they are billionaires in Onisha. Onisha get main market, the biggest main market in West Africa. Makonye se na una ya bia Lagos. Onisha main market is threaded by West Africans. Then they leave Lagos come market for Onisha main market. He says say no be Lagos. Hey, Ndigbo self. Ndigbo self. What a disgrace. Anyway, make we go for the final story for this our segment. This one happened inside Anambra. Obi Kubana, e-money, others then don't donate 100 million to tackle the insecurity situation where the Anambra. Yes. Chairman of Netcomark, where they into real estate business, Dr. Kennedy Okonkwo and another businessman, Emeka Okonkwo, aka E-Money, they done donation 100 million naira give Anambra state government and make them for take the fight insecurity inside the state. Mana Anambra gukwala agwu. Nwozukwu ego ana ayozi ndị mmadụ ka etinye ego maka security ọkwụrụ na afọ ife na-eme. If unofruka Obiano si we protocol everything, really see everything we know. Anyway, people will follow them come visit Anambra state government now. Kubana group chairman Obinneyebu aka Obi Kubana and a musician Kinsley Okonkwo aka KC Limpopo, all of them join meet with the governor Professor Chukuma Soludo inside government house worker on to say they want support security thing and mana awada agba safe na nkete onwekwala nke ha nwa ya na achọkwa ha no interested ha gwago gị fa na eme etu ha ka o si wee dị anyị nọ na Jack Nwamba nọ na Dubai na anyasị ya ngwa this is where we draw the curtain on this show. Bye bye.